Storytelling, terrific insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Old self versus future self. Today we're talking about the classic battle. You know the version of someone said, I never change versus the future version already buying vitamins and checking the weather forecast before leaving the home. One, sleeping late. Old self. One more episode. Future self. Sleep is priceless. Reason why. Energy becomes more important than midnight adventures. Two, junk food. Old self. Eat chips for dinner. Future self. Drink water proudly. Reason why. Health choices starts feeling smarter over time. Three, spending money. Old self buys random gadgets instantly. Future self searches for discounts first. Basically, saving money becomes satisfying. For cleaning room, old self creative mess. Future self organizes everything carefully. Reason why clean spaces can feel peaceful and relaxing. 5. Exercise. Old self avoid workout completely. Future self get excited about stretching. Reason why movement helps people feel healthier and stronger. 6. Social media. Old self post every thought online. Future self enjoy quiet time offline. Reason why peace of mind become valuable. 7. Weekend fun. Old self want loud parties. Future self loves naps and snacks. Reason why rest starts feeling amazing. 8. Fashion choices. Old self wear uncomfortable outfits per style. Future self choices comfort first. Reason why comfort usually wins eventually. 9. Cooking skills. Old self burns toast somehow. Future self learns simple favorite recipes. Reason why cooking becomes practical and fun. 10. Friendship. Old self tries to impress everyone. Future self values honest friendship. Reason why real connections matter more. 11. Technology. Old self clicks every suspicious link. Future self double checks everything carefully. Reason why experience teaches internet safety. 12. Shopping. Old self buys things never use. Future self think before purchasing. Reason why future goals become important. 13. Free time. Old self needs constant excitement. Future self enjoy calm moments. Reason why quiet time can feel refreshing. 14. Learning. Old self, I know enough already. Future self loves learning new skills. Reason why curiosity grows with experience. 15. Definition of success. Old self success means popularity. Future self success means balance and happiness. Reason why personal peace becomes meaningful.